Construction site. I wrote it. I wanted to do the deconstruction. You know, I go to construction site and whatever they were working on, I would fuck it up. If they're hanging drywall, I knock it down.
Oh, shit. Oh.
If they're laying out floors, I bust the floors.
Where'd you get this shit from? Oh, fuck.
And we had a really good spot, and I walk in, and everyone's on their lunch break. So no one's wanting to deal with an old man, so I really have to work to get their attention.
Hey, there's a bathroom outside over here.
So you really peed?
Oh, yeah, I peed a lot. Well, I mean, they were on lunch. I had to do something. I couldn't pull a Dave England because I don't have that gift.
Hey, sir, excuse me, you can do that in here. There's a bedroom down there.
Oh, thank you, son. I'm done now.
Yeah, we're gonna go outside. We're gonna go outside.
We are outside.
We're gonna go outside. We're gonna go outside. We're gonna go outside. Come on.
I'm coming.
Come on.
Whoa, whoa. God damn it.
Let's go outside. Come on, let's go.
Hey, hey, let go of me. Whoa, wow. Oh. Whoa, God damn it. You don't got to manhandle me. Oh, I bet you fellas like this, huh?
We don't want you to get hurt.
Somebody's going to get hurt. It ain't going to be me. You keep manhandling me like this. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, 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 my back. Oh, now, big man, big man. Punks.
What is this?
Oh. Oh.
Why do you have a camera on you?
Oh, fuck.